So in this video, we're going to take a look at similar triangles again to find a missing length using the proportional sides. So labeling the vertices below with, this is a diagram that we're using from Alex. I've just kind of labeled it. It's a little bit more pretty with the colors here. And actually, if you look at the explanation on these problems, this is kind of what they show you, is labeling it with all these nice colors. And we're labeling the vertices, so I have A, B, C, D, E, because they don't actually label these when they give you the problem. It's just much easier to be able to reference and say, well, this length is AD, or this length is DE, right? Instead of just kind of saying, oh, the right side, the left side, the slanted left side, the slanted right side, something like that. So it's just a little easier to reference them, that's all. So we end up with these two triangles. We end up with ABC and ADE, right? So we have our two triangles here, and we're going to look at the corresponding sides. So AC corresponds with AE, and AB, going down here, corresponds with AD, and CB corresponds with ED. So we have our corresponding sides here, and we want to find this missing side length, right? So when two triangles are similar, the measure of the corresponding sides are proportional. In particular, we have the following. So we can write this proportion for this figure. So I'd have AC is corresponding to AE, and then I'm also using AB to AD. And I'm focusing on AC because I need the length for that one. And I'm also focusing on the blue lengths because I have both of these blue lengths. I don't have either of the green, so I'm not going to use that. I'm not going to focus on those two. So now let's go ahead and put our values in. So AC is X, AE is 4.5, AB is 5, and AD is 7.5. And I'm just grabbing that straight from the diagram here. So now I'm going to cross multiply because I have a proportion. Whenever I have a proportion, I simplify with cross multiplication. So X times 7.5, and then I'm going to cross multiply the other way, and I have 5.5 times 5. Again, remember the equal sign. We're not removing the equal sign. We're just simplifying the fractions. So we no longer have fractions here. So now I have 7.5x equals 22.5 because 5.5 times 5 is 22.5. Now I'm going to divide by 7.5 on each side, so I get x by itself. So when I divide by 7.5 by itself, 7.5, I get 1, so just 1x equals, and 22.5 divided by 7.5 is 3. So this missing side length is 3. All right, so that is using the proportional sides of similar triangles to find a missing side length. I hope that helped, and I'll see you in the next video.